task, which is COVID management. This is all from my end. Anything from any data that you would like? Okay. Yes. Any questions, please? Yeah. Yes, Sadhguruji.
Everyone will be tested in
we have. Yes. Please ask. Please ask.
Doctor is also positive.
We are making this entire containment zone into particular perimeter. So we will have immediate to their place of residence, the most extensive and immediate testing. Then slowly we will be expanding that circle outwards. So our target is to test as quickly as possible, as many people as are possible in that containment zone. But of course, our primary focus will be the immediate vicinity of the place where these two family members, this particular family resides. We are doing our proper investigation and checking and contact tracing. So as of now, I will not be in a position to comment about anything else. Our inquiries are on. We are trying to do the most comprehensive contact tracing.
Traveling history. These two positive cases, travel history of any member.
Our investigations are going on. As I said, we are still trying to do the contact tracing. But as of now, we have not been able to establish a clear travel history link. But it is going on. Our inquiries are going on. It's a family, so we have to check each person's history. So that process is going on even as we speak. That there is no risk for people outside. So that's why Mangur Hills being a very compact, tightly packed area, we have decided to have it as our containment zone.
Sure. You said there is 2 positive cases, but there are rumors that 5 positive cases. What is exactly correct? What is the correct?
Two positive cases have been confirmed using the RT-PCR test. Even as we speak, we are doing the testing for the contact tracing, so that is going on as we speak.
Kishore.
Kishorji, yes.
I just want to know, can we say this as a community transmission?
Not at all, no. Because we are, as I mentioned to you, we are still doing their contact tracing, we are tracking their history, all of that is still going on. So it would be very premature at this stage. And as I already explained in one of the earlier PCs, the very first one, there are 3 steps. Local transmission is one step that we often forget about before community transmission. So it is too early to comment on that. We have to do our proper contact tracing. We have to see the history of each of the family members. Only then we will be able to say conclusively about that.
Okay, my second question is, can you name the 2 private labs which have been permitted in swabs?
There is only one lab to my knowledge which has been given the permission, that is the Suburban Diagnostics. I think they have multiple collection centers. I am told that they have multiple collection centers in North and South Goa. We don't have any lab in Goa, private lab which has been given ICMR permission. These are all collection centers. Collection centers who collect the swab and send to their main lab in Mumbai.
Thank you.
Mahesh ji?
Ma'am, as you said, there is no community transmission, but already health minister has made a statement stating that there is a community transmission. What is exact?
I reiterate what I've already said. I do not want to repeat myself. I have explained the distinction between local transmission and community transmission in the very first PC that I had with media friends. And right now also, as we speak, I said that we are still tracing, we are still locating the history. This is a confirmed case just today. So we need time to study, and that effort is going on. Even as we speak, our public health department is fully doing that activity. So let us wait patiently.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, one more question. There is a fear that the people from Mangur who are work in that area, in other like worship and all, that people are getting scared right now. Or what are the preventions are going to take now?
There is no need for any fear in the minds of any member of the public, even the people who are residing in Mangur Hill. We have taken this step of declaring Mangur Hill as containment zone as a measure of abundant caution. So we want to ensure the safety and security of the people of Mangur Hill primarily before anything else. That is why we have done it, so that we can ensure that we can do it comprehensively. Their testing, their screening, everything will be done very systematically. There is no need for any fear amongst the residents of Mangur Hills. My appeal to you is, please do not have any anxiety. The health department is fully there. The local administration is there. We are there to see that you are comfortable, that your health and your safety is ensured. Rupesh ji?
Yeah, ma'am, I just wanted to ask, we were thinking about certain relaxations to be given as unlocking. Will you be reviewing those relaxations right now, because there is a possibility of local transmission?
Government is yet to take a call on it. As you are aware, June 8th is the date from which the new relaxations are supposed to kick in. So government is still deliberating on it. There will be definitely more information in the days to come. Soiru ji?
Ma'am, one more. Out of 6, only 2 are confirmed. Out of 6, only 2 are confirmed.
I do not know what this figure of 6 is. I will reiterate that 2 confirmed RT-PCR confirmed positive cases are there, and the rest we are tracing. We are of course looking at each and every family member. So that process is going on.
And these 2 have already admitted in the COVID hospital, right?
That is right.
Okay.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.